The Corrigal is back again. My name is Anthony and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So as you can see from the title of the vlog, it's about how I'm spending the entire day in this quarantine situation and basically what activities I'm indulging in, what I'm eating the entire day. So let's get started. So the first thing I like to drink every morning is some apple cider vinegar. Now this is the one from this company called Bragg and it's quite popular. I got it from Amazon. For sweetener I like to use some honey, and this drink has helped me out with my digestion problem, and also my skin quality has improved a lot. So in a cup with lukewarm water I like to add some honey along with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I love having this every morning and I love the results that it gave me. The next thing I do right after waking up is making my bed every morning, and this is some habit that I have cultivated since childhood. Thanks to my mom for that. It's always very good to make your bed because it gives you a good sense of accomplishment, and also it's hygienic, and it's also nice to not go back to a bed which you have not made from the night before. So right after doing that, I usually snack on an almond or two, and then I lay out my yoga mat for some light stretching and exercises at home. So just because every other person is working out on YouTube or on Instagram doesn't mean that you have to do it too. I just like working out a little bit at home because it helps me feel active and also beats laziness, and I do not feel lethargic when I work out. So I recently found this channel by this YouTuber called Pamela Rife, and she has some amazing videos. So guys, she has this booty workout on her YouTube channel and do check it out. My legs are literally on fire after doing that. So I'm finally done with my quick workout. I'm going to go and freshen up and then get ready for breakfast. So I'm finally done freshening up now and I'm super hungry. I'm going to go and make myself some nice delicious breakfast, and then I'm going to go and get ready for work. Post breakfast, I'm drinking matcha tea these days, and it's been only about 3 weeks that I started drinking this on a regular basis. And initially I did not like the taste, but slowly I'm developing it, and now I'm really very fond of drinking this matcha tea. It makes me feel very fresh, and let me tell you, this is actually the powder form of the regular green tea leaf that we drink. And apart from that, it has a lot of antioxidants. It's very high in catechins and it reduces your stress levels and also helps you to lose some weight. So my matcha tea is from the Good Life company, and this is something which I got from Nature's Basket right before the quarantine period started. So to make this in a cup, I'm adding in about 1 teaspoon of matcha tea powder and sifting it so that there are no lumps, and it makes a very good and smooth paste. And to this I'm now going to be adding about 2 to 3 teaspoons of hot water, and traditionally a bamboo whisk is used, but I do not have one, so I'm just using this regular battery operated whisk and whisking it till it's light and frothy. So this looks good now, and to this I'm now going to be adding hot water, and I'm going to enjoy my cup of matcha tea. So since most of us are working from home these days, it's very important to sit at the same spot while working every day. So for me it is my dining table. I like sitting there because it helps me maintain my posture. Also I prefer keeping all the distractions at bay. So it is also very important to take small breaks in between. I like getting up and walking around the house or watering my plants. So since it's very hot outside, I'm keeping my lunch very light. I'm just having some dahi curry along with some rice and some salad on the side. So after I'm done with my work for the day, I usually like to doodle in my planner. I usually write about how I'm feeling that day, maybe some tips or tricks that would benefit me, some healthcare tips, maybe some recipes. I like to doodle and draw something, stick stickers, and it helps me to lower the stress, and also it helps one to open their creative side. So it's dinner time now finally, and today I am having some sprouts which I steamed in the microwave, and to this I'm now going to be adding some tomatoes and chopped cucumbers, some onions and beetroot for some color. Now this is something which we have been eating for ages now. I like to top it with some black pepper, some black salt, and of course some lemon juice. This is a very light dinner and I love having this, and this is so colorful. So with this we come to the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. So let's just remember and be a little more grateful for whatever things we have, and let's just pray that we get out of this pandemic situation as soon as possible and things will go back to normal. And that's it. So stay safe, stay indoors, and I shall see you next time. Till then, bye bye.